Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify on iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update Spotify application. Once you done that, you simply need to go and open Spotify, and then you need to click on the settings on the top right, and here you need to scroll down and scroll again until you find the option of let me local files, and here you simply need to turn that on. So here you can read that show audio files from this device, add track from this device into your library. So now the audio tracks will be shown into the library. Here you can see that these are all from my smartphone, as you can see that, and if I want I can play that and enjoy the music. So this is a process that you need to follow in your iPhone to upload music to Spotify on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.